Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a repository to CloudStream on Google TV. First, open a web browser on your phone or computer. Visit a trusted CloudStream repository website such as the CloudStream Repository Hub. Find the repository you want to use and copy its shortcode or full repository URL. Make sure you copy the information correctly. Next, open the CloudStream app on your Google TV. Go to the bottom menu and select the Settings option with the gear icon, usually located at the bottom right. Inside Settings, scroll down and select Extensions. At the top of the Extensions page, choose Add Repository. You will now see fields for the repository details. In the repository name field, type any name you want, such as Mega Repo. In the repository URL field, enter the shortcode or full URL you copied earlier. If typing with your Google TV remote is difficult, you can use the Google TV Remote app on your phone. This lets you type using your phone keyboard and may also allow you to copy and paste the repository information more easily. After entering the details, select Add or Download. Wait a moment for the repository to be added. Then, return to the extensions list and select the new repository you just added. You will now see a list of available plugins. Browse through the options and find the providers you want to use. Select the plugin, then click Install. Repeat these steps for any other plugins you want to add. Once the installation is complete, the new extensions should be available inside CloudStream. Thanks for watching.